Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at the Waterpik water flosser, and that's Waterpik, P-I-K. It's a name brand. This is a cordless unit. It's an extremely nice unit. Let me explain some of the things I like about this unit. First of all, I like the grip on the back for holding. So when you hold this thing, it's really nice. It's not going to slip and fall on the counter because you've got the little grips to hold on to. As far as turning it on, it's extremely easy, on and off right here. Let me do that and kind of show you. See how it squirts the water? Very nice, very gentle, and it's a pulsating movement. If you need to change the tips, which you are going to do periodically, you're just simply going to push the button down and pull the tip out. Put the new one in. Just like that, it clicks back in place. Very nice. When you go to fill this up, you don't take the whole tank off. You can actually lift this back and fill the water right here and just make sure that it's shut all the way. Now, when it comes time to change the batteries, because this is not a rechargeable unit, this is a battery replacement unit. You take it, hold it close to you. See this little lever? You're going to push it all the way over here till you hear it click, and it pops out. There's your batteries. Put your new batteries in, and it does have a little rubber seal here so water can't get inside. Push it back down and clip it back, and it's that quick. So, and one other thing that I wanted to point out is it does have a high and a low. So here is your low, there's your high. This thing works really great if you have braces, if you're trying to get around your teeth and you have stuff stuck in it, it kind of keeps it clean. If you want a really good system, you won't go wrong with Waterpik. It's been around a long time. Do yourself a favor and pick yourself up one of these units today, and we will see you guys on the next review.